Namaste, welcome all. In this video, I'll be sharing you some teaching and also how to access content under our jam and translating the whole portal into the language of your choice. So, you need to select the language of your choice on the top navigation bar and scroll down where you get teaching tips option. You can click on the teaching tips which redirects to which contains teaching tips. Here you can find a PDF. Well, you can find the teaching tips how to use the portal effectively for children of different age groups. You can go through these teaching tips and use the portal effectively. Now coming to RJAM, you can access the topics content under RJAM like Cook with Shravani, which contains lot of recipes wherein which can be used for cooking without fire activities. You can also use this content to teach about food and nutrition. Then there is Q Radio. Whenever you want to listen to stories, with stories, you can go to Q Radio where you find amazing storybooks related to science concepts. Then there is giftable. Whenever you're dealing with slow learners or specially challenged children, you can go to giftable. Here, there are very simple concepts which are taught in an effective way. These can be used even when you're doing some remedial work for children. Whenever you want to access any content on the giftable page, click on the blue icon which opens up a PDF. This PDF gives you the entire details about how to use the content like guidelines, teaching instructions, etc. Then there is World's Largest Lesson. Here you can find content related to environment protection. So these are some of the content you can access. Apart from this, whenever you want to translate the whole learning portal to the language of your choice, you need to make a right click on your mouse. Whenever you do a right click, it gives you an option to translate the whole page to a language of your choice. As I'm showing here, translate to English. Whenever you click it, then there is three dots beside English which you need to click. Then select choose another language. Now I'm going to translate this whole page to Tamil. So I select Tamil here and then click on translate button. Now you can see the text on the page is completely translated to Tamil. So this is one of the ways to translate the whole text on the page to the language choice. Thank you for watching this video. Now that you have watched all the videos in this module, it's time to take up assessments. Before you take up assessment, please make sure that you log into the portal because only then your scores will be recorded. Thank you for watching all the videos. All the best for your assessments.